Good morning, everyone. So we are going to solve a very nice problem of physical chemistry chapter mole concept. So let's read the statement first. When 200 milliliter of zero point 0.2 molarity acetic acid is shaken with 0.6 gram of wood charcoal, the final concentration of acetic after adsorption is 0.1 molarity. The mass of acetic acid adsorbed per gram of carbon is. So this is a very nice question. So if we want to so the required thing is mass of acetic acid adsorbed per gram of carbon. So if we want to get the mass of acetic acid, we have to find the moles of acetic acid. But what we have to find? Let's try to find it with an example. So we all know that acetic acid volume is given this and that. So first of all, we have to find moles of acetic acid before and after adsorption. बिफोर के लिए अगर हमें फॉर्मूला लगाएं तो हमें पता है नंबर ऑफ मोल्स का फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा मोलारिटी इनटू वॉल्यूम. Molarity is given, volume is given. We get the initial moles is 0.04. आफ्टर एडजॉर्प्शन, जब एडजॉर्प्शन हो गया तो हमें एक फाइनल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन की वैल्यू भी दी हुई है 0.1 मोलरिटी. तो हम निकाल लेंगे फाइनली, क्या निकाल लेंगे? आफ्टर एडजॉर्प्शन द वैल्यू ऑफ मोल्स इज. सो ड्यूरिंग दिस प्रोसेस द चेंज इन मोल्स इज 0.02 मोल्स. सो if we have to find the mass of acetic acid adsorbed per gram, so we have to use a formula, simple formula, that is number of moles into molar mass. So number of moles is this, and we have to find the molar mass of acetic acid. The molar mass of acetic acid is 60 gram per mole. So we get a value of 1.2, and the question is asking that mass of acetic acid absorbed per gram of carbon. एंड हमें यहाँ क्या दिया है? कार्बन का एक मास दिया है 0.6. तो हम लोग इससे डिवाइड करेंगे एंड फाइनली वी गेट आंसर 2. यहाँ भी आंसर आया है 2. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.